guys, welcome to my channel, and today I'm making cookies. So as you can see, these are the ingredients to make a cookie. So these are eggless cookies, and now let's go to the ingredients. So we need butter, powdered sugar or the normal sugar if you want, milk, baking powder, baking soda, purpose flour, and salt. So these are the ingredients. So now let's go to melt this butter and see you when the butter is melted. Okay guys, so as you can see, the butter is pretty melted, and now you need a bowl and a spoon. So now we are going to add a butter. Okay. And the butter is completely melted, and now we are going to put powdered sugar. It's like not too much. First I'm gonna add only this, and then I see if I need more powdered sugar. Yeah, we need more powdered sugar. So yeah, I add all the powdered sugar. So okay, so mix well and see you when it's mixed well. Okay guys, so as you can see, after mixing it for 1 minute, it comes like this. Okay, so now it's the time for the purpose flour. So now let's go to add it. Okay guys, so I put the purpose flour in a bowl, and now let's go to add it. So I'm adding like step by step, not all in one step, because I don't know how much I need to use. So as you can see, it comes like, when it comes like dough, your cookie dough is completed. So now I'm mixing with my hand. Okay guys, so I put more flour in my dough, and now let's go to mix it. So you mix like this and make like a powder. Okay, so I think we need more flour. Okay, that's it. Okay, so now let's mix for 30 seconds, and then I'm gonna put the salt, baking soda, and the baking powder. Okay, so now I have a spoon. This is the tablespoon, and I am adding like not too much, like this. Okay. And we need now a baking soda, but it's like a pinch, not too much. Okay, so that's it. Okay, so For the baking powder, I have this teaspoon, and now I'm gonna add like a little bit, not too much. Okay, so now let's mix it again. You can also mix with spoon. Okay guys, so when all your ingredients are mixed well, we are going to add some milk to make a dough. So like a little bit. I think that's it. We don't need more milk. So you go, mix it. So see you when I make a dough. Okay guys, so as you can see, the dough is ready. This is the perfect consistency for a cookie dough. This is the eggless cookie dough. So mix it like for 30 seconds, and I completely changed my idea. So the thing I'm doing now is I have these cookies at home, these Oreo cookies. So now I divide my cookie dough in 2 portions. This one is with the Oreo biscuit, and this one is without nothing, this simple. So now let's put it like this, and in this bowl I put this, and on this bowl I'm going to crush this biscuit like this. I crush my Oreo, and now I'm going to put in this dough. So now you mix it. I think it's done, not too much. Yeah, it's done. And this one you need to decorate the simple one if you want. Okay, so this dough is completely ready. So this is the Oreo dough, and that one is a simple dough. Guys, so now let's go to preheat the oven. I'm putting here, and then on this, and on 180 degrees. Okay, so as you can see, it's going. The oven is preheating, and now we can decorate these biscuits. These are the Oreo biscuits, and these are the simple. So this Oreo with this one, with this piece, you're gonna put here, and then to this with all the biscuits, all the simple biscuits, with this one no, because they are Oreo. So our cookies are ready to bake, guys. So now the oven is preheated, and now let's off it. Okay, now let's go to put it. Do this with an adult. If you are children, don't do it without some adult. So now let's go to put the cookies in the oven. So I'm gonna put there. Okay, so now let's go. So they're on this for 15 minutes and on 180 degrees. So see you when they are baked. Okay, so finally the cookies are ready. So as you can see, they are so good. Want to see more videos, please subscribe my channel and like and comment down below if you like and if you try this method to make biscuits. So this is the effort for day. Thank you for watching my video. Bye, see you next time.